How to plant spinach in a polybag yard house. Spinach or amaranthus is the type of plants grown for their leaves are taken as a vegetable. Vegetable crops is derived from the tropical regions of the Americas but has now spread throughout much of the world. This plant is known for its high iron content. Spinach has a watery and a bit woody stem. The leaves are handled with a spherical shape of the egg is green, red or green vaginal discharge. There are two types of spinach, which is often cultivated spinach, i.e. unplugged, commonly referred to with the white spinach or spinach seckel, which has reddish or whitish stem and has flowers that grow on the branches of the armpit, and spinach or spinach leaves, that has a spade width, is green and the flowers are in bud of the stem. Well, this time we will be discussing about how to cultivation /spinach. Spinach can be done not only in the vast land but can also be made in a pot or polybag planting, more practical and suitable for those who have no land. Here's how cultivation planting spinach in polybag or pots easily. Step how to plant spinach in a polybag or pots for planting, among others. First, prepare the first seeds that will be used as the seed. The seeds you can acre from old spinach plant or you can buy it at the store. There are other ways besides using seeds. You can perform planting spinach by means of stem cuttings. After the seeds are ready, prepare his planting media. Article silage attire is a mixture of soil and compost or manure. Before mixed with manure or compost, preferably ground kneaded and then mashed and then sifted the soil to get smooth. If the seedlings and planting media has been prepared, further to prepare a place for planting or transplanting. Pot polybag form with the proper size. The base of the polybag or pots for planting, given fractions of tile for the retaining wall to keep out when watering. After being given a base, insert the prepared planting media desalam polybag or pots. When all is ready, then do the planting. If you want to plant the seeds of spinach from stem cuttings, you can use polybag or a medium-sized pot. Planting with rods very easy because it only hits the rod into the planting medium. If you're planting seeds through seed, then S=lat sown first in polybag for the small sized, then later moved to the larger polybag. When the seedlings have started growing and already were ready to instill, prepare a polybag planting bigger size and contents of the polybag with a planting medium is equal to the time for that is a mixture of soil by manure or compost. The seeds were transferred in parillaha and carefully lest the roots are damaged. If you have already completed the planting, so that a clean polybag has planted spinach arranged on shelves are cropping up, actually does also not anything as long as it is placed on a place exposed at a high directly. The treatment is done on a spinach plant grown in a polybag. Planting is easy enough. Did watering regularly 2 times a day during the morning and afternoon, doing well controlling plant growth, and also make sure spinach is not stricken with pests or disease. When you need to do the following in order for fertilization of his planting media increasingly fertile. So the discussion about how to plant spinach in a polybag so that the harvest is plentiful in the courtyard house may be useful, and follow our next posting. Good luck and see you at our other video.